Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with the Morning Market Stir for Monday, December 18th, Bitcoin launch day here at the CME. First, let's talk stocks. Surged last week, closing at all-time highs, new records in the big three. We had the S&P up 1% on Friday to push positive on the week. The Dow gained 0.5%, a new record there, gaining 1 1/3% on a weekly basis. And the NEX blew up 1 1/4%, gaining 2 full percent for the week to avoid that key reversal top that we had in the end of November. Gold continued to run, was up $9 on the week, closing at $12.55. We talked about that new relative low and a higher close, a higher weekly close, very positive there. Crude was unchanged on a weekly basis after getting up to $58.50, and a little disappointment that it couldn't push through that $59 double top there, and the euro currency was unchanged on a weekly basis. So where do we stand here on Monday morning? Well, stocks are strong. Once again, new records here, up 0.5% in the S&P. Right now, I've got the S&P up 10, the NASDAQ up 25, and the Dow futures up 150. But the big talk here is the big Bitcoin contract, which is 5 Bitcoins, starting to trade last night here at the CME Group. We're up to nearly 20,000 in the Bitcoin itself. Looking at other markets, we've got gold right now up $5 at $12.62. Keep an eye on $12.70. That's the midpoint pivot of this last drop from 1,300 down to last week's low. That would turn this pattern back to positive. Crude right now is up about a quarter, 57.50. Again, that double top at 59. If it takes that out, then we're looking at 61, then 65. The euro currency is around the 119 level. And lastly, let's talk about the VIX. The VIX is at 935, about 50 cents off that July extreme low. So even though stocks continue to march higher, the VIX has not made new lows, and we're about 50 cents away at 936 there. So to summarize, stock market up 0.5%, up 10 in the E-mini S&P, up 25 in the NASDAQ, and up 150 in the Dow futures. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.